By performing Brajmandal Parikrama, we came in this place, Sankarshan Kund, the bank of sitting on the bank of Sankarshan Kund at Giriraj Govardhan. This is the place of tapasya of the Shat Goswamis. Because of our acharyas, they have performed such severe sadhan here that today we are getting all this facility to see all these beautiful and transcendental holy places. Shri Giriraj, staying by Giriraj Govardhan is such an auspicious, and it is so much beneficial for the sadhakas like us. But more important is to stay at the bank of Giriraj Govardhan with the moods, with the very special moods. Not just physically, but also emotionally. Those who are staying on by Giriraj Govardhan physically, they are very fortunate. But we are not here to become fortunate. We are here to become bhaktas. Being fortunate, there are thousands and millions of people do parikrama, they are very fortunate. But we are not here to develop any fortune for us. We are here for a very special mood. So unless we take shelter of the 6 Goswamis, the moods, the emotions which they express, we can't stay by Giriraj Govardhan. Just like Sri Sanatan Goswami Pad, he used to do Giriraj Parikrama every day. Sri Raghunath Das Goswami and other Goswamis also doing Giriraj Parikrama. For what reason? And how they were doing Parikrama? He Radhe Braja Devi ke chalalite, He Nanda Shuno Kuta, Shri Govardhan Kalpa Patale, Kalindi Bane Kuta, Ghoshanta Viti Sarvato Brajapure, He Der Mahavivalo, Vande Rupa Sanatano Bhat Jugo, Shri Deva Gopalato. How they were wandering by Giriraj Govardhan, not just by speaking, talking, tears in their heart, tear in their eyes, and with so emotional heart, praying to Giriraj Govardhan, actually give us residence at your place, residence nearby you, so that we can develop that mood of service, because you are Govardhan. Go means senses, and Vardhan means to enhance the loving mood or the senses of Krishna. This is the meaning of Giriraj Govardhan. And that's why Pramada Madana Leela, all the amorous pastimes and secret pastimes of Sri Radha Krishna takes place at Giriraj Govardhan. Sri Giriraj Govardhan is supplying grass for the cows, fruits and other places, and other ingredients to serve the sakhas and to Braj Gopis, where all those secret pastimes of Sri Radha Krishna takes place here at Giriraj Govardhan. That's why Sri Giriraj Govardhan is Haridas Varje, the best amongst all the Haridas. There are 3 Haridas. One is Sri Yudhishthir Maharaj, the other one is Uddhavji, and the superior and the topmost is Sri Giriraj Govardhan. Why Govardhan? Focus on this point. Govardhan. One who serve Krishna with every means, with all moods and emotions. That's Govardhan. And that's why the festival, the world famous festival took place here at Giriraj Govardhan. That's called Ankud Festival. Right at this place, Ankud Festival, and the village which we cross is called Anyagram, where all the Brajvasis, they brought so many food preps and they offered to Govardhan. Govardhan means not different from Krishna. It's another form of Krishna. So is Krishna only satisfied with just eating the food preps? No. Krishna wants all the Brajvasis to serve Giriraj Govardhan. Why? To enhance the mood of Govardhan. Through Giriraj Govardhan, satisfying the senses of Krishna. Govardhan. There's the whole festival about. Not the festival about enjoyment. The festival of service. The festival of giving pleasure to the senses of Krishna. That's why Govardhan. That's why Param Gurudev said, Ankut means what? Anhai Param Brahma. Shruti Vakya. In the Shrutis is mentioned. An means not just the food preps, not just the malpua, laddus and all that. An means what? Par Brahm means Brahm, Bhagwan. So how this Kut, Ankut means not just literally meaning of offering the food preps to Krishna for his pleasure, but the Kut means mountain, the mountain of Hari Katha, which is the most and the best means to please the senses of Krishna. Krishna get more pleased, and the best means to please him is only Hari Katha. And therefore, the festival of the enjoying festivals of Krishna and with the Brajvasis, when they are glorifying Shri Giriraj Govardhan, when they are glorifying, and therefore, under the guidance of Shri Krishna and the Brajvasis, because they are Ragatmi Bhaktas, Ishte Swarasaki Ragam Parabhish Tan Bhaved, Tan Maya Bhaved Bhakti Sa Ragatmika Uchyate. They have spontaneous love for Krishna. It's not that they practice, they have a spontaneous love for Krishna. Following the footsteps of those Brajvasis, Ragatmika Anusmritya Sacha Raganuguchyate. That's called Raganuga Bhakti. We are here to develop, to practice, and to develop inspired to get that Raganuga Bhakti. That can only be possible if we follow the footsteps of the Brajvasis. How? They are arranging this festival of not just cooking and offering the food preps, but giving the pleasure to the senses of Krishna. Because this is exactly what Krishna wants. So, we are here to develop that Raganuga Bhakti. And that is only possible if we have the best association, the association of the moods of the six Goswamis, especially Sri Sanatan Goswami, Sri Raghunath Das Goswami, how they are crying and weeping and wanting in Giriraj Govardhan. We don't get those tears in the eyes. Our heart doesn't melt at all. We are too much engaged in these worldly affairs. But that's why we are here. We are not pure devotees, but we are here to beg from Shri Giriraj Govardhan. Please give us these moods, these emotions. We are here to beg and pray to Shri Shad Goswamis and the representative of Shad Goswami, our Gurudev. Please give us these emotions, transcendental feelings. When we go around Giriraj Govardhan, we ask for those tears. We ask for the melting of our heart. So actually, we can get residence no matter which part of the world we stay. But our life should become Ankut, means qualified enough to please the senses of Krishna. That's why we are here. And to manifest this, to inspire this, Shri Krishna played a beautiful pastime when he was buried under the ground here, at this temple here. And he was waiting for Shri Madhavendu Puripad to come here. Kabe Madhav Asive Korive Sevan. Shri Madhavendu Puripad was waiting. There were so many people who were staying in Giriraj Govardhan. But Krishna never asked anything from anyone. He was only waiting for Shri Madhavendu Puripad to come. Shri Madhavendu Puripad, who was following Ayachik Vritti. Ayachik Vritti means he has taken this promise, this vow, that I am not going to ask anything from anyone and only going to survive on the milk. On that condition, if anyone brings the milk to him by himself or herself, but not going to ask anyone. Such a high vow he has taken in his life. And therefore, when he arrived at Giriraj Govardhan, a small young boy, very beautiful, dark complexioned boy, brought a pot of milk for Shri Madhavendu Puripad and asked him to drink this milk. Shri Madhavendu Puripad asked him, how you know I am hungry? Krishna said, I don't know. That small boy was not, it was just Krishna. He said, I don't know. My mother was passing by and he saw a Baba, a sadhu sitting here, and she gave me this pot of milk to hand over to you. And in this way, he just left. Shri Madhavendu Puripad, he drank that milk, and when he got little tandra, means a small lamp, then the Gopal who was buried underground, he asked Shri Madhavendu Puripad, please take me out from here. I am buried here from long time. I am feeling so much cold. I am feeling so much hot. I am so thirsty. I am so hungry. Shri Madhavendu Puripad collected all the Brajvasis and they dug the ground and they got such beautiful Srinath, Shri Gopal deity, which we go to, where we can go and see Srinath. Kaun si jagah? Nathdwara. Nathdwara to see the beautiful Srinath who brought up from here. So the point is, Srinathji means Sri Gopalji was just buried here. He didn't ask for anyone else. He was only waiting for Sri Madhavendra Puripad. And that's why Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, when he came to Giriraj Govardhan, he didn't wanted to climb on Sri Giriraj Govardhan. He was embracing Govardhan Shila, tears from his eyes. He did Abhishek of Giriraj Govardhan with the tears with his eyes, remembering all these pastimes of his Param Gurudev, Sri Madhavendra Puripad. Therefore, many shikshas, many teachings are here. Of course, we are doing parikrama and there's a lot of fun and there's a lot of enjoyment. But along with that, we need to have some very high transcendental emotions and prayers in the heart when we are following parikrama under guidance of Guru and Vaishnavas. Asking Giriraj Govardhan, begging at Giriraj Govardhan for those transcendental moods which we can't get anywhere else. That's why Raghunath Das Goswami is praying, Giri Nirpa Haridas Sheni Vareti Nama. Ho, Giriraj Govardhan, my Ishta, my worshipable Sachinandan Gaur Hari, he instructed me and he gave me Giriraj Govardhan to worship. I have no other place to go. I only staying by you to get all the mercy from you by staying by Giriraj Govardhan. Therefore, Govardhan, may our life should become qualified, eligible to please the senses of Krishna, so that we can also observe Govardhan Parikrama, so we can also observe this Ankud festival. And therefore, by saying so, we are here at Sankarshan Kund, when Krishna with all the gopis and Brajavasis, they were performing the festival of colors, means Holi. So many colors, and they are throwing colors to each other. Shri gopis, they brought those colors and hiding under their chunaris, their shawls. They are not showing Krishna that we have some colors. They are presenting, they are very sober and gentle. But when they come close to Krishna, along with Madhumangal and all the sakhas, then the gopis brought all those colors and just start throwing on Krishna. And similarly, Krishna's sakhas were also hiding those colors and throwing on the gopis. So such a festival of colors were happening. And in the middle of that festival, means the obstruction in that festival is Shankhachud, a demon sent by Kamsa. What is the Siddhanta here? If the festival is going on and some obstruction and some obstacle comes, that is there to enhance that festival, not to disrupt that festival. Sometimes it also disrupts the festival, but many times it enhances the more and more love which is in the heart of the Brajavasis and more in the heart of the Krishna. So the Shankhachud came. He wants to drag all the gopis away from Krishna. And they all called out for help. Why? Did they call out help for Krishna considering Krishna as Supreme God, Supreme Personality of Godhead? No. They called out Krishna for help because because they're thinking Krishna is our beloved. Therefore, Shri Baldev Vidyabhushan Prabhu in Siddhant Ratna is mentioning a beautiful point. Aishwarya Nishtanam Madhurya Prakashatam Saraswati Prava Gauntasi Vire Vismay Vipadecha Saraswati Eva Pravasya is giving example, just like if you go to Prayag, the confluence of three rivers, Ganga, Jamuna and Saraswati, we often see Ganga and Jamuna is flowing on the top, but Saraswati is undercurrent. But on a special occasions like full moon or new moon, we see the current of Saraswati also flow on the top. So Shri Baldev Vidyabhushan Prabhu is saying, especially three occasions, Vire, Vismay, Vipadecha, when there is separation, when there is astonishment, and Vire, Vismay, Vipad, and when there is a calamity, then the Brajvasis, they call out Krishna for help, for protection, but not considering Krishna supreme, but considering Krishna as their beloved or as their son by Yashoda Maya Nanda Baba, or as the Sakhas by the Sakhas. There's the Siddhanta there. So this is the point of a trouble, because gopis were dragged away by this demon. So they called out Krishna for protection. And Krishna came and he hit Shankarshur, and he took a money, a jewel which was on his forehead. He wanted to give this money to Shri Radharani, but he can't give this because Baldev Prabhu is also present here. So Krishna is very tricky, and he saw Baldev Prabhu is watching him. So he said, "Oh thou bhaiya, oh elder brother Baldev Prabhu, I killed this Shankachud, but this jewel meant to you because you are my elder brother. Baldev Prabhu, he understands the mood of Krishna. So he hand over that money, that jewel to Dhanishta. Dhanishta Sakhi, she always served Radharani. And of course, Dhanishta is not going to keep by herself. She gave that jewel to Radharani. And in this way, not unway but Vyatirek, not direct but indirectly, the mood of Krishna got fulfilled. The feeling of Krishna, I want to hand over this money to Radharani. Radharani, she received that jewel. So therefore, it looks like there's some obstacle, some disruption. But all these demons are instruments. They are instruments sent by Kamsa. They are instruments which are inspired by Yog Mayaji to enhance the pastimes of Krishna, to give pleasure to the senses of Krishna. This is Govardhan, to please the senses of Krishna. We are very fortunate. We are not doing this parikrama. Don't think we are doing this parikrama. Who's doing this parikrama? Gurudev always said, I am the one who's doing this parikrama. So what we are doing, we are following the footsteps of Srila Gurudev. We are following all these places. Every time Gurudev used to come here, Sankarshan Kund, and give Hari Katha. So under the guidance of Srila Gurudev, he is still present, and he is the one who is initiating this parikrama. He is the one who is taking this parikrama. We can't see him, but he is with us, and that's why parikrama is going so smooth and so nicely. Everyone is feeling so happy. All the good facilities, Hari Katha, Mahaprasadam, rest, no rest, everything is present. Gaur Premanande, Hari Hari Bol. Shri Giriraj Maharaj ki. हाँ, one thing very important, वो दोनों बोलता हूँ. One thing very important, all our sannyasis here, we were discussing while we were walking here, that we need to little being organized. We are trying our best, but when we are in crowd in public, especially Giriraj Parikrama and any other crowded places, it's difficult and impossible sometimes to maintain and organize. But it depends on us as sannyasis, brahmacharis, and also depends on all of you as congregation. We are very, very thankful to all of you who came from all over the world for this Kartik Parikrama. We request all of you to come every year, and we also apologize, we ask forgiveness if there is some problems, or it always happens, because if you are in Dham, some tapasya, some austerities needs to be done. Some people like loud music, some people like low music. So it's all about everyone's liking. We are trying to maintain as much as possible. So while we are doing parikrama, try to maintain some little etiquette, follow the sannyasis and kirtan, and then you all follow the group. Don't try to move ahead. Parikrama means what? We're going to go Pethagram after few days, where Lord Krishna is four-hand form standing there. Some gopis, they went ahead of Radharani. They didn't got the opportunity to see that is Krishna sitting here or Narayan sitting here. But those gopis who followed the footsteps of Radharani, they were able to see that he's not Narayan, he's Krishna. So you can't see anything with your eyes. Just follow the parikrama, follow how the senior Maharaj, the devotees are following, the sannyasis and Vaishnavas. इसलिए महाराज जी कह रहे हैं कुछ अनाउंसमेंट करने के लिए. सभी भक्तों से प्रार्थना है, आप लोग परिक्रमा बड़े प्रेम से कीजिए. आप बड़ी दूर दूर से आए हैं, यहाँ पर कष्ट भी सहन हो रहा है और बहुत आनंद भी आ रहा है. दोनों भाव होना बहुत जरूरी है. सिर्फ चावल खाने से नहीं होता, दाल पूड़ी भी चाहिए होता है. तो थोड़ा कष्ट भी, करेला भी चाहिए और खीर भी चाहिए. थोड़ा कष्ट भी सहन करना पड़ेगा और थोड़ा आनंद भी होगा. सबसे यही हाथ जोड़ के प्रार्थना है. हम भी प्रयास कर रहे हैं सब कुछ अच्छे से करने का, लेकिन समझते हैं भीड़ भाड़ में कभी संभव नहीं होता, लेकिन प्रयास चल रहा है. आप लोगों से भी प्रार्थना है, जहाँ पर बड़े बड़े महाराज जी चलें, कीर्तन चलें, आप उनके पीछे पीछे चलिए. आगे जाने का प्रयास मत कीजिए. आगे जाएंगे तो क्या देखेंगे? आगे गाय खड़ी होगी, बैल खड़ा होगा. आगे जाएंगे क्या, आगे बंदर ये ले जाएगा, ये सब दिखेगा नहीं. आप कीर्तन करते करते, ताली बजाते बजाते, जैसे मैंने बताया, गोस्वामियों के भाव, श्री सनातन गोस्वामी जी का स्मरण करते हुए, श्री रघुनाथ दास गोस्वामी जी का, रूप गोस्वामी जी का स्मरण करते हुए प्रार्थना कर रहे हैं श्री गिरिराज गोवर्धन से, रोज रोज तो हम गोवर्धन की परिक्रमा नहीं कर पाएंगे। अब आज आए हैं, वैष्णव के पीछे पीछे चलिए, महाराज लोगों के पीछे पीछे चलिए और हरि नाम करते हुए, कीर्तन करते हुए गिरिराज जी से ये प्रार्थना करो हमारे अंदर भी वो भावना आए, जैसे ब्रजवासियों के भीतर में भावना है आपकी सेवा करने की, हमारे अंदर भी वही भावना आए। इसलिए रोने की प्रार्थना करनी है। हमको रोना आ जाए, हंसना तो हम हंसते ही रहते हैं, लेकिन ये रोना आ जाए। क्या रोना आ जाए? जब हृदय पिघलेगा, भगवान से प्रार्थना करेंगे, श्री सनातन गोस्वामी जी से, गुरुदेव से प्रार्थना करेंगे, हे गिरिराज जी हमको ये दिव्य भाव हमको भी प्राप्त हो। ऐसी प्रार्थना करते करते जब चलेंगे तो आगे जाने की हिम्मत ही नहीं होगी, सब पीछे पीछे चलेंगे। यही मैं आप सबसे प्रार्थना करता हूँ। पूरे महाराज सब ये कह रहे थे कि ये अनाउंसमेंट कर दो, इनके बिहाफ पर मैंने सारी अनाउंसमेंट कर दी। तो क्या करेंगे? आगे चलेंगे, पीछे चलेंगे? आगे आगे कौन कौन जा रहा है? माताएं आगे कोई जा रहा है? माताएं सब आगे। अच्छा, जो आगे गया ना हमारे फोटो कैमरा में आ जाएगा। जो आगे गया अब भंडारा देना पड़ेगा रोज का। नहीं दोगे तो जितना बैग में पैसा छिपा रखा है सब चोरी कर लेंगे हम लोग, ठीक है? और जो पीछे चलेगा उसको भंडारा मिलेगा। अब मिलेगा क्या देना है? आगे चलना है कि पीछे चलना है? जो आगे चलेगा उसको ये सजा है, जो पीछे चलेगा उसको भंडारा मिलेगा। और मन महाराज जी कह रहे हैं मैं उसको आशीर्वाद भी दूंगा, महाराज का आशीर्वाद भी मिलेगा। अब जो आगे गया तो मैं भी कुछ करूंगा। क्या करूंगा? पानी लेके आपके चरणों को धोऊंगा, आपका चरणामृत पीऊंगा। हाँ, जो आगे गया उसका चरणामृत मैं पीऊंगा। अब देखता हूँ आगे कौन जाता है। कोई है चरणामृत देने वाला तो दे देना हमको। हरे कृष्णा।